In front of you are 3 mystery gift boxes, black, gold, and blue. 2 boxes hide amazing surprises, and 1 box holds a shocking twist. Don't overthink, lock your choice. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's begin. Your turn. Pick one motorbike, speed, style, or pure power. Sweet test time. Which cake are you grabbing? Dream right alert. Which car are you claiming? Luxury check. Which villa feels right? Level check. Easy, medium, or hard? Decide now. Dive in. Which pool are you jumping into? Home vibes test. Which house feels like yours? Style battle. Casual, sporty, or classy? Pick fast. Light it up. Which lamp matches your vibe? Ocean call. Which ship are you boarding? Adventure mode on. Which jet ski are you riding? Paradise pick. Which island is yours? Fashion moment. Which outfit are you locking in? Comfort test. Which sofa wins? Movie night unlocked. Which TV are you choosing? Game on. Which gaming room do you want? Food challenge. Cheesy, spicy, or fully loaded? Tech battle. Which phone takes the win? Cool choice. Smart fridge or stylish fridge? Choose your luxury item. Precision test, gaming mode or work mode. Time to shine. Which watch fits you? Chef Energy unlocked. Which kitchen is yours? Living room goals, where comfort meets style. Pick one. Fashion storage test. Which wardrobe are you claiming? New look unlocked. Which hairstyle suits you? Music mood. Which headphones are you wearing? Cold treat time. Which ice cream wins? Escape plan. Beach, city, or mountains? Decide fast. Meet your buddy. Cute or cool? Who's coming with you? Sweet finale. Which dessert are you taking? Subscribe now and you might just get a cookie.